Okay, this is page 2 of your 1.2 packet. Before you get started taking notes, I need you to do geometry, IXL, B4, and B5. When you're done with that, come back in here and we'll take some notes. So, we're going to talk about midpoints today. So, the midpoint of a segment is a point that divides the segment into two congruent segments. What that is saying is that a midpoint cuts it in half in the middle. So if the whole thing is 4, it means it's a 2 and a 2. It cuts it in half. A line, array, or a segment that intersects a segment at its midpoint is said to bisect the segment and is called the segment bisector. Whenever you see the word bisect or bisector in geometry, always think cuts it in half, in perfect half. So in the diagram to the left, B is our midpoint. We mark these sides with these lines. It tells me they're the same size. B is the midpoint of line AC. And line L right here, that is a segment bisector because it's cutting it in half of AC. So let's use this information we know to solve these problems. So Q is the midpoint of PR. It means those are exactly the same. So I can say 15 is going to equal 3x. Find the value of x. Well, divide by 3, x is 5. There you go. Number 9, H is the midpoint of GI. So I have to set that up. 5x plus 2 equals 9x minus 10. They're equal because that's the middle and it cuts it in half. So then I just solve it. I'm going to move my 9x and I get negative 4x plus 2 equals negative 10. I'm going to move that 2. Negative 4x equals negative 12. Divide. X equals 3. But the directions say find GH. So I need to find that part right there. So GH, it tells me, is 5x plus 2. But good news, I know how much that x is because I figured out it was 3. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So GH is 17. Let's look at number 10. It says that R is the middle between these guys. Okay, so I want you to set it up and solve this one on your own. Once you get your X, I need you to figure out what QS is. So you'll have to figure out what the whole thing is. All right, let's do number 11 together. 11 says G is the midpoint. We can see that because it's a 4 and a 4. And FH is 6y minus 2. So let's set this problem up. Part plus a part equals the whole thing. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 6y minus 2. Let's add 2. Oh, listen, on this one, this should be a plus or it's not going to come out right. So let's make that a plus, which means I would actually subtract 2. I'm sorry. I meant to fix that before I started talking. I forgot. So I have 6 equals 6y. Divide y equals 1. So the question is, find y. Well, found it. All right. When you finish that notes and finish number 10, I want you to flip over last page. Flip over to the last page of this packet, and it's word problems. They're not that hard. Just draw some pictures out, okay? If you need help, ask me, but I need you to do the word problem page, the notes in that IXL. Thank you.